Hi everybody, it's Vicki from Island Yarn. I thought I would pop on and do a quick video on the cable cast on. The cable cast on is used in the very popular emotional support chicken, and it's also really useful whenever you need to cast on stitches like mid-row, like maybe underneath an underarm, or sometimes bags. It's just when you have a gap and you need to fill that gap, it's a nice cast on to use for that. It's actually a variation of the knitted cast on, and it kind of starts that way. Since I actually don't have stitches going, I'll show you both, because you have to start a cable cast on with one stitch of a knitted cast on, and you'll see why in a second. So I have my little slip knot. So to do a knitted cast on, you just go into the stitch and you wrap, don't use the tail, the bane of all our existences, using the tail to knit, and you knit it through like normally, and then you pull this stitch kind of loose and you put the left needle underneath. That'll sort of work out the twist. So that's a knitted cast on when you go into the stitch. A cable cast on is just like it, except instead of going into this stitch, you go in between these two stitches. So you go in between and then knit it through, pull it loose, and then sort of swivel your left needle to go underneath. And snug it up just a little, not so hard that it's not easy to get in between again, but enough that it's not like a loosey-goosey stitch. So again, you go in between the two stitches, like that, and you knit it through, pull it loose, and onto the left needle. And that's it. That is a cable cast on. Simple, easy. It actually makes a really nice sort of, almost like a chain looking edge too, so it's a perfectly nice cast on in general if you are not happy with your cast on or you want that specific look. But should I do one more? I guess I'll do one more because it's a really short video. So you go in between the two stitches, wrap it around, knit it through. Look at me throwing like I'm not a continental knitter. Pull it loose and then stick your left needle underneath. And there you go. That's a cable cast on. I hope that is helpful for all your chicken knitting and other knitting. And we'll see you next week in the podcast. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.